In this video, we will show you how to rotate and skew parts of a design. When you have the selection tool enabled, you can easily select one or more objects. Click on any object to select it, or click and drag to select multiple objects. Any selection you make has a highlighted rectangle around it, which holds various control handles. If you place the mouse over any of the corner and a little to the outside, you get a rotation icon. Now, if you click and drag, you can rotate the selection around its center. We can move the rotation center in order to rotate the object around any different point. In this way, we can create custom rotations. Additionally, if you hold the Shift key down, you can rotate according to the opposite corner. Finally, if you press the D key once while rotating, a rotated copy is created as soon as you release the mouse. Now, let's see how you can slant objects. In the middle of the sides and a little to the outside, there is a double side arrow handle which can be used to skew the object. Click and drag to skew the object. The object is skewed according to the rotation center. If you move the rotation center, you can skew according to the point you have set. If you hold the Shift key down, the object is skewed according to the opposite side. Finally, you can press the D key once while skewing, and when you release the mouse, a skewed copy is created.